Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can install Stream on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. To install Stream on Windows 11, simply open your browser and search for Stream. Let me tell you that Stream is a platform where you can find all the video games for PC. To download Stream, simply open this link. Don't forget about the download link. You will get the download link in the description box. Here you will find an option called Install Stream. Simply click on this button. It will open you the download page from where you can download Stream. Simply click on Install Stream and it will download an exe file. Simply open this exe file. Here we have the setup window. Let me minimize the browser. Here simply click on Next and here you have to select your language. Let me select English, then click on Next. And this is the default location where your stream is going to install. If you have a good reason to change this location, then click on Browse button and from here you can browse your location. For now I'm going to keep it default, then click on Install. Here you can see it is installing, so it will take some time to install. Here you can see our installation has been successfully completed, and here we have an option to run stream. If you want to run stream, simply check this box or you can uncheck this box, then click on Finish. Now to open stream, here you will get a shortcut icon, or you can also search for stream on this search option. Here we have the stream option. Simply open this application. Here you can see it is updating the stream platform. Wait until the update process complete. Here we have the login page for Stream Store. Here we have option to create a new account, or if you have an existing account, simply click on login to an existing account. So I already have a stream account. I will simply click on login to an existing account, and here simply enter your account name and password. Here simply click on remember my password, then click on login. Here you will find computer authorization request. Simply click on next, then click on finish. Here we have an online community where you can add your friends and you can chat with your friends. So let me close this online window. So this is the interface of Stream Store. From here you can download official games for PC. Here we have store option. Here you will find all the games. If you want to download free games, then click on free to play, and here you will find all the games which are available for free. Now to download games, simply select the game you want to download, then click on install button to install that game. Here you will find a confirmation window. Simply click on create a desktop shortcut, create a start menu shortcut, and here you will find the option to select a location, then click on next. And here simply accept the license agreement and it will download the game. So this way you can install and use Stream on Windows 11. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.